Is there something wrong with your Whirlpool washer? This repair video includes error codes, troubleshooting, and repair tips to get your washer back on track. For more information, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Whirlpool dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Whirlpool dishwasher error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code 11. Problem. The electronic control board is detecting a stuck electrical relay on the circuit board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher for 5 minutes to try and reset. If the error code comes back when power is applied, then check the wiring and the components. If the wiring and components check out, then replace the electronic control board. Code 12. Problem. All the lights are on as the user interface control is not compatible with the electronic control board. Fix. This error code will show when the wrong user interface control is installed. Code 21. Problem. The electronic control board detects a stuck key button on the control panel. Fix. If no keys work, replace the electronic control panel. If the control panel is damaged, then replace the electronic control panel. If the control panel is in working order, then the problem may be within the electronic control board. Code 22. Problem. User interface control is unable to communicate with the electronic control board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wiring between the user interface control and the electronic control board. If the wires and connections check out, then replace the user interface control board. If the problem comes back, then replace the electronic control board. Code 31. Problem. There may be a break in the electrical wiring or the thermistor water temp sensor component failed. The optical water indicator that detects the amount of debris in the water may have also failed. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring for the thermistor and optical water indicator circuit. If the circuit wiring checks OK, then replace the thermistor and optical water indicator component. Code 32. Problem. The thermistor, optical water indicator circuit is electrically shorted. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring for the thermistor, optical water indicator circuit. If the circuit wiring checks OK, then replace the thermistor, optical water indicator component. Code 33. Problem. Optical water indicator OWI has failed. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and clean the optical water indicator. If the error code comes back once you apply power, then replace the optical water indicator OWI. Code 43. Problem. Communication stopped from the wash pump motor and the electronic control board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring from the wash pump motor to the electronic control board. If the wiring checks to be OK, then replace the wash pump. If the problem comes back, then replace the electronic control board. Code 51. Problem. The dishwasher door will not shut, door latch issue. Fix. Press the start button and close the dishwasher door. If the code shows, then remove power to the dishwasher. Check the door latch assembly and the wiring for the door switch. If the latch assembly and the wiring are in place and check good, then replace the door switch. Code 52. Problem. The dishwasher door will not open. Fix. Check to be sure the wiring in the door switch checks good. If the door switch wiring checks good, then replace the door switch. Code 61. Problem. The electronic control board does not detect water coming into the tub. Fix. Remove power and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Be sure the water supplying the dishwasher has proper flow and good pressure. Check wiring to the water inlet valve. If the wiring checks good and the water supply checks out, then replace the water inlet valve. Code 62. Problem. The water inlet valve is having an electrical issue. Fix. Remove power and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Be sure the water supplying the dishwasher has proper flow and good pressure. Check wiring to the water inlet valve. If the wiring checks good and the water supply checks out, then replace the water inlet valve. If the problem persists, then replace the electronic control board. Code 63. Problem. Air or suds is in the water pump. Fix. Check the water fill level. Check for suds in the fill water at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. If the water fill level is low, then replace the water inlet valve. If you find excess suds, then check the detergent dispenser and replace it if damaged. Code 64. Problem. The float switch is electrically open or stuck. Fix. Check the overfill float switch and make sure it is not stuck under. There is something under it holding it up. Be sure the water inlet fill valve is shutting off the water when the dishwasher is turned off. Code 66. Problem. The water coming into the dishwasher is too cold. Fix. Use a thermometer to check the water temperature coming into the dishwasher. If the water is lower than 110 degrees, then check your water heater. Adjust water heater if needed. If the water temperature coming into the dishwasher is between 110 to 120 degrees, then replace the thermistor. Optical water indicator, or as last resort the electronic control board. Code 67. Problem. Flow meter is not connected or faulty. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wires to the flow meter. If the wiring checks good, then replace the flow meter. Code 71. Problem. The heating element is not heating. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the heating element and replace it if you find it to be burned or faulty. If the heating element checks good, then check the wires to the heating element. If the wiring checks out, then replace the heating element. Code 72. Problem. The heating element will not turn off, constant heat. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher for 10 minutes. If the error code comes back when you turn the power back on, then replace the electronic control board. Code 81. Problem. Water is draining too slow. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Check the drain path to see if something is blocking it. If the drain path is clean and completely clear, then check the wires on the drain pump. If the wiring checks out, then replace the drain pump. Code 82. Problem. Electrical problem with drain pump. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Check the wires on the drain pump. If the wiring checks out, then replace the drain pump. Code 83. Problem. The drain pump is stuck on constantly. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the drain pump wires. If there is damage to the wire harness, replace it. If the wiring harness checks out, then replace the electronic control board. Code 10.1. Problem. Electrical problem with the dispenser. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Remove the outer door panel. Check the wires in the detergent dispenser. If the wiring checks out, then replace the detergent dispenser. Code 10.3. Problem. Drying fan issue. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wires for the drying fan. If the wiring checks out, then replace the drying fan. If you're looking for help fixing your Whirlpool dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Whirlpool dishwasher troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Beginning steps. Before starting any troubleshooting, make sure you have allowed the dishwasher to complete its full cycle. A Whirlpool Gold dishwasher can run for more than 3 hours before its cycle is complete. Make sure you are properly loading the dishes into the dishwasher. The detergent dispenser should be free from blockage, and there should be enough distance between the dishes for water and detergent to flow freely. If your dishwasher won't start, make sure the door is tightly closed and the latch is locked. Basic troubleshooting. If your dishes aren't getting clean, make sure you are using a high-quality dishwasher detergent. Use the recommended amount for your specific Whirlpool Gold dishwasher. Too much or too little can prevent your dishes from getting clean or leave spots on your dishes. If your dishes are coming out still wet, make sure you are using a quality rinse agent. Whirlpool Gold dishwashers rely on a rinse agent, such as Jet Dry, to aid in the proper drying of dishes. Make sure the overfill protection float can move up and down freely. If it is locked, press down on it to release it. Advanced troubleshooting. Make sure the water inlet and drain hoses are properly connected to your Whirlpool Gold dishwasher, and the water supply is turned on. Check the power of the dishwasher. Make sure that a circuit breaker hasn't been flipped and that the dishwasher has power. Also, check to see if your water supply has the proper temperature, pressure and hardness. Whirlpool recommends the water temperature be at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And the pressure should be between 20 and 120 psi to properly fill the dishwasher. If you have unusually hard water, Whirlpool recommends using a rinse aid with the high temp option or installing a home water softener. If you're looking for help fixing your Whirlpool dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Whirlpool dishwasher repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool dishwasher dispenser not dispensing soap. Bimetal. The bimetal actuator is a metal loop that acts as a latch for the dispenser door. As electricity is applied to the bimetal, it deforms and bends away from the latch, releasing it. If the bimetal is burned out, it won't release the dispenser door. To determine if the bimetal has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the bimetal does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, make sure that the dishwasher is getting enough water. If the water level is too low, the wash motor may not draw enough current through the bimetal, causing the bimetal not to bend enough to work properly. Whirlpool dishwasher want fill. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the water valve is clogged or defective, water will not flow into the dishwasher. Water inlet valves are not repairable. If the valve is defective, you must replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher making noise. Circulation pump. The circulation pump motor has bearings that wear out over time. When the motor bearings fail, they generate a continuous drone. If the motor bearings have failed, you must replace the entire circulation pump. Whirlpool dishwasher overflowing. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is an electrically controlled valve that opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. Depending on the model, the valve stays open either for a set length of time or until the dishwasher has enough water. However, if the water inlet valve doesn't shut off after the dishwasher has enough water, the dishwasher will overflow. If water drips into the dishwasher when the door is open, or if water collects at the bottom of the dishwasher while it is not used, you may need to replace the water inlet valve. Whirlpool dishwasher is not cleaning dishes. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the valve is clogged or defective, the dishwasher won't get enough water to clean dishes properly. If the water inlet valve is clogged, replace it. Do not attempt to clean the water inlet valve. Cleaning the valve could make it more likely to fail. Whirlpool dishwasher want drain. Drain impeller. The drain impeller pushes water through the drain hose and into the garbage disposer or drain line. If the impeller is broken, replace it. Whirlpool dishwasher buttons not working. Touchpad. First, confirm that the dishwasher display is working. If the display is still working, try pressing some of the touchpad buttons. If some of the buttons respond correctly but others don't, it is likely that the touchpad is at fault. Some manufacturers sell the touchpad separately from the control panel. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the touchpad and control panel together. If you cannot replace the touchpad individually, replace the touchpad and control panel. Whirlpool dishwasher lights flashing or blinking. Heating element. The heating element heats up the water to operating temperature. If the water doesn't reach the proper temperature after a set amount of time, a light on the control panel might start flashing. To determine if the heating element has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the heating element does not have continuity, replace it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.